Tell me say cold dey body because of rain.
James. How cold go dey? When I don't jog reach here this morning.
Hey. Now so we go carry people for we side they jog up and down for 15 kulele minutes to take for me to read for inside sport. We be say fresh weather. We don't ready because na rock sport for Rock City.
I'm waiting the shell for the Commonwealth game. Plenty story. Thank God at the end of the day, Nigeria carry medal. How many medals they win? Oh yeah, James, make we the go.
Before we go enter Australia for area, make we carry giving at the fresh air story for inside there. Waiting the shell for Team Nigeria camp. I tell you, Akoba Daba all over Jari because yesterday, while I tie up, Honorable Sport Minister Barrister Solomon Dalong, he para on top of the condition where she's on track and feed the vet athletes. When they para say, then they go with that, then they come out for Australia, they know they run again. Make the officials of AFN, make they carry their children, make it begin the run for the track. Anyway, we go give you that full gist. Before we go enter the Commonwealth Games, make I take style, come do a thing, come branch for the side, for the backyard, for the Cricket Federation for Nigeria, the president for Nigeria Cricket Federation, Professor Adams. In the talk, he talk say, they don't ready. Team Nigeria don't ready. We don't ready to do wetin. We don't ready to package. We don't go for people when they say that they follow cricket, take job, but we don't go for the handle for inside the ICC sub-regional T20 qualification tournament with African Cup for Tafawa Balewa cricket overs for Lagos. And go to shell for 14 go reach 30 to bros. You can't add on top say the team don't ready, the player don't the ginger, the officials their eye now to enter the qualification proper and to win the trophy. The qualification it that with Ghana, Gambia, Sierra Leone with host Niger and bros they beat in chest pa. He said nothing they happen. The NCF Nigeria Cricket Federation, the team they don't ready to do well for the competition. And straight sharply to fresh story for inside the Commonwealth game. Hey, sharp. Now Honorable Sport Minister now enter. We come see comedy Fuji House of Commotion for Team Nigeria camp. Oga Solomon Dalong now he come talk say hey men and stop am. Waiting the shell for here. He remains small. Make shame, make embarrassment. Come pour sand for name for Nigeria on top of the level where some athletes they para. He say EFN, you they expect magic, waiting na give us. Training kits, na no give us. Allowance, na no give us. To even talk and we no fit see am. Everything when our Puma they promise us when we come out for Nigeria, shin, we no collect o. And if you follow take join body, Sheye Ogunlewe, he collect the 4th position for the men's 400 meters final for 10.19 seconds. Enoch Adegoke, he collect 7th position for 10.35 seconds. So now those athletes come the para say that they go Nigeria, they know they run again. Make the AFN on garden carry them children, make they enter track, make they call the run up and down. Now your Honorable Sport Minister say, my children, may not take it easy, may not do and suffer because I don't dey here. We go find solution on top this matter. Bros Minister can't turn him face to where the president for AFN day. He say, my guy, okay, nothing dey happen. When we get back to Nigeria, you now go pay.
Hey, for another level, for on top the Commonwealth level, Team Nigeria don't win them first 2 medals for the day 6 for the Commonwealth game with the shell for Australia. And Nigeria table tennis team win Nigeria first medal will be silver after India beat Nigeria 3-0 for the final. Also, Nigeria Chukwu Ebuka Enekwechi win silver for the shot put as in throw 21.14 meter for boxing. Millicent Agboegbulem qualify for the semi-final for the 76 kg Opeke level as she beat Elizabeth Andiegu from Kenya 5-0 and go now face Kathleen Parker from Australia for Friday. And for another level, still on top Commonwealth, Nigeria D Tigers against lose them group game for the Commonwealth basketball game to host country Australia. We beat them 95-55 for yesterday, but them still qualify if them beat Scotland to the semi-final.
And as we see the result for the Tiger side, the Torino pure, even my eye never clear because to dey see the three tigers for this level I no know if people fail to plan na so dem go dey do wetin dem go just dey fall yakata for ground o and make we sharparly comot for inside the Commonwealth Games o and before we comot Taiwo still get one gist for that side.
And for the medal table how they stand, Australia still dey dominate with 39 gold, 33 silver and 34 bronze medal with 106 medals. England come follow waka 22 gold, 25 silver, 16 bronze with 63 medals. India come follow for top position, 10 gold, 4 silver, 5 bronze with 19 medals, and Niger come stand out for 28th position with 0 gold, 2 silver, 0 bronze. They can't get 2 medals. Yes.
Anyway, make we enter the football level and for area to take discover talent. When no go represent, when they go represent Ogun State tomorrow, even for Niger for the Run Champions League, when say the challenge for Abeokuta here, where some people say all these children they just they work out and down for this one. They make them begin they play football. Whether we go discover Ronaldo, Abi Messi, or for Neymar for tomorrow. Today later today okay Ogun FC go gbege Oban FC and Okeano FC go gbege Ilupeju FC. Now for children dem you too you fit take style join for them because we dey look for talent wey go represent Naija for tomorrow.
And make we enter the local league. MFM FC coach Fidelis Ilechukwu don yarn say e go hard to overturn the one goal wey deficit wey dem chop for dem Domot against Joliba FC of Mali for the Agege International Stadium when they enter the team Domot for next 2 weeks. Also, Inyimba coach Paul Aigbogun yarn say they no go relax because them play draw soup with BFF Sweet FC of South Africa for the CAF Confederation Cup because they already planned say if they enter Niger and to gbege them and qualify for the next stage.
From that level, make we sharparly do it in Taiwo because today, hey, something go sabi how far market go be for the UEFA Champions League.
And before we go enter Europe, make we tell you Super Eagles striker Desire Paranodze and Ngozi Okobi don yarn say we don learn our lesson on top say France beat us 8-0 for that match. She talk say na the first grade A in party game where them go play with that, and on top that they still they try to integrate to know themselves well na because of that then chop that 8-0. And for the Super Eagles level, Nigeria Super Eagles go play them party game against Democratic Republic of Congo for the Port Harcourt International Stadium for May 27. Report where they enter our domon come show say the sport ministry no ready to repair the Abuja International Stadium before the match as they no get 70 million James wey dem go use to repair the stadium. And Nigeria Super Eagles technical advisor General don enter England where e dey monitor the performance of Nigeria players wey e wan carry enter the 2018 World Cup for Russia. Some of the players wey e dey monitor for EPL wey be the English Premier League be Kelechi Iheanacho, Victor Moses, Wilfred Ndidi, Alex Iwobi, among plenty players wey dey play for the league. And also the gold coach go enter the other club for Europe to shook eye enter the Niger players for the league as he also they look for another striker wey fit carry go work up. Also for the transfer market, another report for England don show say Arsenal don show interest to sign Niger midfielder Wilfred Ndidi from Leicester. Already Liverpool don dey show interest to sign the Niger midfielder for summer.
And for the UEFA Champions League now, Liverpool side now I tell you later today for Etihad Stadium for the second leg for the UEFA Champions League quarter-final gbege. I tell you Liverpool for the first leg dem flog shege for the body of Man City 1-2-3 goals. A lot of fans don dey talk say make Man City bono because to take comeback e go hard small. And then make I tell you Roma they go gbege Barcelona the first leg. Barcelona 1-2-3-4 goals where Roma manage throw one for the back of the net for Barcelona backyard.
And James, and for the same on top that EPL that UCL will be UEFA Champions League we go dey share today. That big Liverpool coach don talk say he don ready, he don know say Man City go come with thunderbolt, maybe thunderstorm, because they go on win for the Etihad Stadium. And not be only say they go on win, they go on score plenty goal to come overturn the 3 goals deficit wey dem get for first leg. And report wey we dey hear be say Mohamed Salah wey be dem player don dey face last minute test to take sure say whether e go fit play for that match. No forget say for that first leg e get groin injury, and as e be, doctors don dey chook eye, don dey give am injection to take sure say e enter field for tonight.
Make we see whether one call go enter, because the fans for England they shine eye, they open eye, say they must watch that match. This one for me level na super Tuesday for UEFA Champions League. Man City for Etihad go gbege Liverpool 08098673344 09091469670. Shey Man City go cancel that 3 goals Taiwo and even score 4 goals. Make we see whether one person go fit enter for meeting mind. Hello. 08098687344. Hello,
James.
Hello, bros. Sharply, your name? Okay, now you see Man City go just cancel that 3 goals, score the 4th one.
Man City 5, Liverpool 1.
So they're going to sleep, Abi.
This one na octopus Owolabi.
Hey, now wow. Hello.
Who did that, Dr. Mott?
Hello. Bros, your name? Okay, now Man City. Liverpool.
Thank you.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, bros. Your name?
My name is Dosa from Batoko.
Okay, Dosa. Man City for Etihad with Liverpool.
Because they don't lose this match already.
Okay, now.
They will think it's a 2-0 again.
Even for the backyard. Anyway, now the only door where we go open for people. You make sense, bros. You make sense. Now the only door where we go open for people, and producer say we can open the door again. Yes, so hello.
Hello.
Your name?
Naira.
Okay, now. Oh yeah, now. Man City, Liverpool.
Man City to go chop more.
Liverpool
go win 2-0.
2-0. You to kill for the back of the 2. Anyway, now say go be. Make people who love football, make them watch that second leg quarter-final gbege with Man City for Etihad wey go gbege Liverpool, the visitors. And Roma go gbege Barcelona. 1, 2, 3, 4 goals to 1. We go sit down watch all the match tomorrow.
Anything fit happen.
Anything fit shele
for football.
Even after 3-0. Okay now. Until tomorrow, we go give una full gist on top those gbege wey go shele for UEFA Champions. Don't forget to you still dey shele for the Commonwealth Games for Australia. Now only here, now you fit dey look am. Fresh story for Inside Sport. Companies join us for here. The program na Rock Sport for Rock City. James Idafe dey tell una say make I enjoy this Tuesday until tomorrow. Una bye guys.
My name na Tayo Fabaja. Abeg enjoy this Kulele Tuesday. Una bye guys.